Welcome back to another video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add auto insurance to your plan. So again, we're here in Billy's plan. We left off with the homeowner's insurance from the last video, and now here we are still in his net worth. So you go to your profile, you go to net worth, and that's where you can add accounts. You can also link accounts. But in this case, we're going to add an account. We're going to add insurance. So again, you just hover over insurance, and when you do that, you go down to auto. So now we have auto insurance. So Billy has a couple of cars. If we go to loans, we'll see that Billy has a couple of cars. And this was his student loan. That was his mortgage. Where did we? Oh, we didn't add the loans. I guess I deleted the loans for Billy's car. So let me make sure, just like in your case, you want to make sure that you have the loan for the car. So I thought this was a student loan for $54,000, and it looks like either I deleted or I don't have Billy's car loan. So let's just go add a loan, and it's going to be Billy's super cool car. And it's Billy's, it's not a mortgage, it's a car loan, and we're going to say his monthly payment is $450 and his minimum payment is $325, and his balance, let's say he bought a super cool car for $38,750 with no early payoff, with an interest rate of, let's say, 9.45%. And we're going to link it to an asset. No, let's not do that. So now we've got a loan for Billy's car. So we hit save, and that's Billy's car. And now we should have Billy's cool car. So now we go back to net worth. We're going to add account. We're going to add insurance. We're going to add auto insurance. And we're going to say Billy's super cool car. Did I hit the wrong button or what? And you probably do that as well at some point. So Billy's super cool car insurance. And it's Billy's, and we're going to say, let's say annual premium. What is the annual premium for Billy? Going to depend on a lot of things: his age, his driving record, the type of car. So in this case, we're going to add, let's say it's about $200 a month. So $2,400 for the annual premium. His deductible, we're going to say that he got a quote for $1,000 deductible, and we're going to give him a decent amount of insurance for bodily injury. And these little right here, this is per person. So when you get your auto quote, you'll see that first number under liability is the insurance amount per person for liability. So if Billy gets in an accident and he kills someone, in this case I'm pretending to be Billy, so if I get in an accident and someone dies, the most that my policy will pay is $100,000 for one person's injury or their death. And this PA is per accident, so that's generally a bigger number. Let's give him $300,000 for that. And then property damage. What will my policy pay if I'm Billy? What will it pay if I get in an accident that's my fault, and let's say I run into a school bus, or I run into a building, or I get in an accident with multiple cars that are very expensive? How much do you think I need to have? How much did Billy buy? Well, let's just say, in this example, let's say he did $50,000. It's probably not enough, but let's say that's how much Billy bought. So he has liability of $100, $300, $50. That's what that would look like on the deck page. And yes, we got collision and comprehensive. So collision over here is going to pay when Billy gets in an accident and he collides with someone. Collision is the coverage he will need. and he wants it. In fact, since he has a loan, Billy is required to carry both of those coverages. So this premium, $2,400 a year, includes coverage for comprehensive and collision. Collision, when you run into something and it's your fault. Comprehensive, well, that's what we're going to talk about in the next video. Comprehensive is it's actually my very favorite coverage on any policy that I've ever purchased. And I'll just tell you why. I'll tell you more when I tell you this story about comprehensive and how it works. But first, just think about the idea of the word comprehensive. What does it mean, comprehensive? When you think about what that word means, it means broad, comprehensive. Well, that's what comprehensive insurance on an auto policy is designed to cover you for, comprehensive. So it's a very interesting, very important coverage, and I want to make sure you understand it. So the way we'll do that is I'll tell you some stories in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope this helps you know how to add car insurance now to your policy, to your plan. So don't forget to hit save, and then we should see down here, okay, auto, so apparently the system saves every time I come out of there, so don't forget to delete those extra ones if you made the same mistake I did, so that you end up with Billy's super cool car insurance and you're good to go. So now in the previous video we set up the homeowner's insurance, and now we set up the car insurance, and in the next video I'm going to talk to you about the coverages under the auto policy. So again, thanks for watching. See you next time.